In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Tableau dashboard in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a newcomer to Tableau, incorporating images can enhance your dashboard's visual appeal and clarity. Let's dive in and learn how to do it. First, fire up your preferred web browser and search for Tableau. Once you have the website open, you'll be prompted to log in. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You'll find an option to sign up, which is quick and easy. After successfully logging in or setting up your account, you'll be greeted by your Tableau workspace. Here, you have the option to either open an existing workbook you've been working on or create a brand new one. If you choose to create a new one, make sure it's set up with the data and structure you want before proceeding to add images. Next, navigate to the dashboard to which you'd like to add the image. This might be an existing dashboard you want to improve or a new one you're developing. This is important because images can provide context or clarify the data you're presenting. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the dashboard's object pane. This is where Tableau houses all the building blocks for your dashboards, including text boxes, web pages, extensions, and yes, images. Within the object pane, scroll through and find the image object. With the image object in sight, it's time to drag it onto your dashboard canvas. Tableau offers flexibility by allowing you to place this image as either a floating object or within a tiled container. If you prefer freedom in arranging various elements, floating them can be a great way to overlay charts and images. Otherwise, tiled containers help in maintaining structured layouts, especially if your dashboard has many elements. As soon as you release the image object onto your canvas, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box has options you'll need to either choose an image file from your computer or link an image via URL. Both methods are useful. If you have a logo or a specific image ready on your device, clicking Choose lets you browse and upload it directly. Alternatively, Link to Image allows you to input a URL if the image is hosted online. Take a moment to configure the image if necessary. This might mean adjusting borders or other properties. Once you've selected your image, clicking Apply will add the image to your dashboard. Now that it's there, feel free to modify its size, position, and any other property to better fit your dashboard's design. These adjustments ensure it complements rather than overwhelms the data visuals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an image to your Tableau dashboard, increasing its effectiveness and visual appeal.